Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT image generation if it's not working. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're trying to generate image right here under your chat, well, you can just go ahead over to images right here directly in the left panel and generate the image from here. So as you can see, I've generated an image easily using this section. Now, if that still won't work, sometimes when you go ahead and enter a prompt right here, send your image, okay, and then when you click on generate, it still doesn't have it in here. Now, what you'll do basically is just go ahead over to library right here, and then when you go ahead over to images, the image should be here, or the generated image should be here. And sometimes ChatGPT successfully generates the image behind the scenes, but a local browser glitch prevents it from loading visually inside your chat box. So go ahead and check the library section right here. Now, if that shouldn't work, let's go ahead and try to at least clear memories or corrupted local storage. Click on your profile, go ahead and go to settings, click on personalization, scroll down, all the way down, find memory summary, click on manage, click on the three dots right here at the very top, and then click on delete and turn off memory if you want this option. And if you don't like it, you don't want to start from scratch again when chatting to ChatGPT right here, don't do it. But if you don't have any other important chats right here, well, you can just go ahead and delete and turn off. So once that's done, re-enable it from here. Or if you don't want to delete it, turn it off, turn it back on, then close this one. Let's move forward. Click on the slider right here at the very top besides chatgpt.com or the URL box, cookies and site data, manage on the device site data, delete everything that is listed in here. All right. Delete. And once that's done, click on done. It will then go ahead and ask you to reload. Do not reload yet. Close the browser. If you have VPNs active, disable VPNs, and then right click on your date and time. Adjust date and time. Set time zone automatically. Set time automatically. Make sure that both of these are turned on. And then once done, click on sync now. Close this one. Reopen up the browser, go back to chatgpt.com. And by the way, if you have ad blockers, if you're using, for example, Brave, turn off your ad blockers. And then once that's done, generate the image right here under images. And after that, you should be good to go. That is how you fix ChatGPT image generation if it's not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.